In today's video on Andrew Moss Outdoors, myself and my good buddy Chin are going to be heading to the community of Howley today to fish the infamous Howley Narrows. We got two goals in mind today, to catch some big fish and to do a hook and cook. We're going to bump into Brayden with the YouTube channel Feathers and Flies along with a few other familiar faces. We're going to see some beautiful wildlife, catch some big fish, and take in a gorgeous sunset. So grab a jacket and a fishing rod as we take you guys along on this hook and cook fishing adventure in western Newfoundland. Alright, here we are at the Howley Narrows. Woohoo! Go see if we catch a monster trout. What do you think, Chin?
Hammer down.
Oh, I found fishermen's out here. Man, a big slew of people here. Look at them all. Oh, I found fishermen.
You know it.
You go there now, cast for 30 minutes to get nothing. I said cast for 30 minutes to get nothing.
Like I said, the two best days I've had was Tuesday and Wednesday, and it was come on and trigger.
Well, I was at the moose talking with Mr. Feathers and Flies. Chin was down here by hooked onto one. I'm staying in here with you now. You got the magnet on, do you? Well, Chinny got one, so Mr. iPhone Fisherman had to drop down with us. Nothing yet. Mr. Matt Barney is out there in boat. He said he caught one. A couple of guys up there caught a couple, but it's pretty slow. So I think we might move into another spot shortly.
Like,
Now, fighting on 7 foot, a lot different, isn't it?
that's like a joke. Joke now. Womp. Here you go, boys.
Woohoo!
Brayden, like, I know why he does it. Look how he got us swallowed by.
Yeah. I'm telling you, I got the gear on to go there.
Hey, good catch, man. Whose rod you catch it on?
Andrew Moss's.
He actually got it on Brayden's rod. Well, there you go. That's 2 for Chin today. See if we get a couple more on camera for you, boy. Woo!
The only way
Job is
Alright, well the fishing's slow, so I'm gonna put a cup of coffee on. Brought some gear to boil some water, and that's what I think I might do. So far Chin has got the horseshoe on him today. He's the only one that caught any. Oh man. Have a cup of coffee here now. See if we catch a couple more.
It's only from Canadian color anyway. Now, what do you think? What color the meat gonna be?
I think it's gonna be pale pink.
That's what I think too, because they're not quite eating the smelts yet. The smelt aren't quite around very thick yet. These scales you can eat anyway, they cooks up right soft, but I just tries to get as many off as I can.
Alright, well that first one-ish chin cut, we decided we're gonna do a bit of a hook and cook with that. I got the frying pan, the oil and some seasonings in that. So we're gonna fill it in here now and put it in the frying pan. We got enough taste testers here. Rodney, Chin, Ryan, and Mr. Feathers and Flies, so this is what do it.
Bad meat.
Pale pink.
Yeah, it's not bad. I don't want to hear no comments about me cutting towards myself. It's nice and dull, okay?
We went in 243. But I've shot lots at that, but then last year we got in.
That won't be too bad eating, I don't think.
Gotten that big.
A little bit of a smaller fish, but That's good meat. That's a good quality meat there. So it should be good.
Yes, sir. Yeah. Time for a mug up.
Platinum per cow I see.
I got
Hey, bowl, we're gonna go in for well, my license is not getting clear.
a bunch of stuff over in my car. If you want me to go get it.
I think I don't got flour, but
I'm not gonna lie to you. There's a thing of all-purpose flour in the back of my car.
all right. Let's get the pan going on, and I got some oil and some seasonings in that. So we're gonna do a bit of a one-inch fry.
I can focus on getting.
Beautiful eating for it. We got a great company of boys with us, so let's have a lunch.
Hey, but you know what? Even that charity license, I might spend a few months.
Let me know what you want to say.
All right, we got some oil here. Put it in the pan.
Move right up on the bank here.
Wow.
Everything.
All right, we made a little trench here for the cooker, just because there's a strong wind coming this way, and this here will hopefully keep the flame in and help cook a little better. Brady said he had a bite. Oh, look at it. That's a nice one, buddy.
That's a nice one to eat.
Yes, sir. Look at me.
Yeah.
It's silver.
That's around the size I like to keep. Looks like that.
Good stuff.
That's not bad.
Nice one, buddy.
Yeah, that's usually around the size I like to keep him. He's nice and fat. He's got a few smelts in his stomach.
Yes,
I
sir.
say he's just around that 2 pound mark.
Yeah.
It's nicer fish.
Yes, he's like right broad across the back, eh?
Yeah, he's nice and broad, eh? It's a nice
Good
one.
stuff, buddy.
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh, Ryan got one.
Ryan got one, Andrew. Ryan, set your hook and then hold one net.
Trout or whadding?
What are you using, minnow and jig head?
The new spice jar I got. Pretty neat. Oh yeah, man. Season the works of it up. Boys, get another one now so I can film you doing that.
Give me like 4 seconds.
What do you think, boys? Looks pretty good, eh?
Boy, that's perfect actually. Not overcooked.
And Mr. Rodney Gray has never tried landlocked before. Give her a try, Rodney.
I did a pretty good fillet job. There shouldn't be many bones.
I got to season up well, so.
Oh, that's good.
Not bad? Alright.
Okay.
See it, yeah.
Did a good job.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Is it decent or
Yeah, it's good. It's good. No, it don't taste like those big 3 and 4 pounders do, but it's really good.
Does it taste like John?
Tastes like a
What?
if you put that in the landlocked
It would
salmon.
taste just like an Atlantic salmon.
Just tastes like a small salmon.
Pretty good? Alright, my turn.
Yeah.
Season well. Can't really taste the fishiness of it. A little bit of sand in there. It's good.
Got to.
Main say the sand is inland rock salt.
Yeah.
It'll all be.
Oh, I just crossed
Boom.
your line, man.
Really good.
Just cast the
Hey, monster. He already come with the fillet top.
Yeah. It looked savage though, didn't it?
Yes, sir.
Pose for that now.
Mondo. Pose with it. Alright, well, we had a good day at it. A little kitchen cook. Chin caught the most fish today, boy. How you managed to do that?
Amazon lures. That's how I can.
La, Amazon jobby. Sunset, we had a little kitchen cook, had a cup of coffee. End of the day off, right? Mr. Feathers and Flies is over here gutting that little tiny wanity. Pink inside though, isn't he?
Oh, yes. No, that'll be good on the barbecue.
Come on. La. Nice. Well, head back out to the car before we see any moose. What do you think, Chin?
We're hitting one.
We're hitting one. I hope not.
Gross. I should have weighed him, I suppose.
He's nice one, this man.
I say he was just over 2.
Yeah, he was belly full, did he?
Yep.
Alright, well, last one, Deer Lake's wrapping egg. If you guys watched my first fishing video this year, I actually hit a moose on the way home. Nothing major, just kind of bumped the back of him. It was dark and he jumped up and I never really had time to react, so that's why we're leaving a little earlier today. Alright y'all, we just made it back to the car. It's just the last little bit of daylight over the hills and we're gonna head out. So guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you click like and subscribe if you like videos like this. We got a bunch of playlists on my channel. Fishing, hunting, everything outdoors, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you go check everything out and you can watch until the cows come home. So thanks for watching and we'll catch you on the next one.